Hello everyone and welcome back to our show. As you know, every week we meet to talk about the ELECTROATOM project. Of course, we are very happy to see you again, dear viewers. Today we will talk about the opening of our office in new countries, as well as the promotion of bonuses. But of course, we will also discuss the representatives located in these different countries. And then we will obviously go to Congo, the Democratic Republic of Congo, where ELECTROATOM LLC has opened its office. This is a very important step for the advancement of our project. We can see that our representative Mumbere Gloire has taken the lead on things. He has made the decision to advance the ELECTROATOM project, and obviously with his colleagues who will do an excellent job. We are very happy to see ELECTROATOM expand on the African continent, because it is a big step for us. And then we remind you that every day we have ongoing news on the ELECTROATOM atom networks. So you can follow this information and get more details for all those who are interested or would like to have information or who have questions and would like to get answers about ELECTROATOM atom. You can therefore follow us on all our networks and get these clearly defined answers. We want to remind all our investors, all our partners that we have webinars organized in English every Tuesday and every Friday. It is a webinar that gives everyone the opportunity to participate and ask their questions and see the progress of the ELECTROATOM project, but also the financing aspect. I remind you that in French as well, we have conferences that take place every Friday, organized by our representatives in these French-speaking countries. And then, I want to remind you that in Vietnam, there will be a conference on Zoom that will be managed by Miss Luen. This is the opportunity given to you to connect for all those in Vietnam to get answers to all their concerns. And then we remind you that on November 3rd, the first phase of the equipment assembly for the ELECTROATOM project was completed. We therefore want to remind you that the team has worked to complete the thesis loop. It has been done, and we have now started the second stage. And this second stage will be done when the equipment arrives. And we will do the work because you can count on us. We are ready to help you move forward. On November 3rd, we organized a large conference on Zoom. And this conference was held to keep all our investors and partners informed about the ELECTROATOM project. Know that this discussed the progress of the project, but also the investment opportunities. At the same time, a conference was held in Togo in Lomé by our representative, Christopher. This conference indeed concluded successfully. Several people were present. Many attended this conference and received answers, and they were satisfied. And then certainly our action. And the deadline have been extended until November 10th to allow all those willing to invest in the project to do so and become partners. We remind you that this was done. Why? Because there were several requests, many people eager to invest, but who could not do so within the expected time frame. It starts from a package of $100 to $5,000 for all those who are hesitant and still have questions. You see that we are making progress. Join the project and wait for it, and it will be a success. Congratulations to our colleagues. It is indeed Quadio, Thomas, Nguesson from Côte d'Ivoire, who has reached the master level, as well as Labode Massour and Evgeny Grishanov, who have reached the specialist level. We want to congratulate them because it is a great step in our community, and we can clearly see that the work is well done. And we would like to remind you that on November 8th, there will be 2 conferences on Zoom. The first conference is managed by Gérard Soquenou. It focuses on understanding the back office. It will take place on November 8th at 6:30 p.m. GMT. And the second conference is managed by Christopher and Ibrahim, also on Zoom at 6:30 p.m. on November 8th. And then we land in Burkina Faso, where a seminar will be held, which will be managed by Armandia, the speaker. So, this conference will focus on the ELECTROATOM project. Come in large numbers. It will take place on November 16th at 9:30 a.m. It is indeed a Saturday. Come in large numbers to get answers regarding the address Bobo Dioulasso, Conference Room Gouverneur. We are waiting for you there. For all those who have questions, come and you will get answers. And that was all for today. Thank you to all our viewers. Thank you to everyone who took the time to watch this video, this show. We will see you very soon again for new updates. So don't hesitate to invest in the ELECTROATOM project. For all those who have questions, for all those who are hesitant, the opportunity is given to you to take part in our project and become a partner as an investor. And then we also want to remind you that we have our social media. We have YouTube, we have Facebook. You can follow us and stay updated on all the information. Thank you.